the worst parts of yourself, the ones you hated the most, yeah. But I still do love you the same. Yeah, I still do love you the same. Ukavunja yangu heshima, natamani ungefahamu jinsi gani nilivyokupenda. Ulikuwa na furaha, tabasamu ya dunia yangu, penzi wangu nahisi utapoa ndani ya nafsi yangu, alone in a dark room, voices in my head and they get louder. How did this become my fate? Alone in a dark room, voices in my head and they get louder. How did this become my fate? Your words are like wildfire. Your words are like wildfire. And then I gave up, unexpected rain in the desert. I fought the storms in my head with the courage of love. I wanted you to come back and make me strong, like winter is to water. Hey. I wanted to save you from drowning, but I needed saving too.